For today's assignment, we're going to use a Your Turn practice book and your blue handwriting book. Mine is red, but yours is going to be blue. First, in your Turn practice book, turn to page 112. At the bottom, you will see the page number, 112. We're going to write a sentence on this page about the story. The story is on the next page. Okay, so you're going to pull this out and you're going to fold it to make a story, and then we'll read it together. Here's my book. Let's read from the top. Do you? Do you like salad? Do you like soup? Do you like pizza? I do. Now, on page 112, we will write a sentence about what the bears in the story like. Here's my sentence. I wrote, the bears like food. You can also say one of the foods they like. So you can say, the bears like salad, or the bears like pizza. When you're done making your sentence, ask an adult to take a picture and post it to Google Classroom. And once you're all done, we're going to next do our handwriting practice. So in your Turn practice book, so in the same book, you're going to turn to the page with the dolphin on the top and the letter D. And I'm going to zoom it out so you can see the page. Page 116, you're going to practice writing the letter D. Now, in your blue handwriting book, remember mine is red and yours is blue, you're going to turn to page 28 to practice writing the letter D. Your page is going to look like this.